The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 4. Karmic Retributions of Beings of Jambudvipa. If my mother will never again enter the three evil paths, never again be born into low stations, and never again be female, then here before the image of pure lotus eyes thus come one, I vow that from this day on, throughout billions of eons, I will respond to all beings who are undergoing suffering for their offenses in the hells or the three evil paths of any world. I vow to rescue them from the bad destinies of the hells, hungry ghosts, animals, and the like. Only after beings with such retributions have all become Buddhas will I myself achieve proper enlightenment. After making that vow, she clearly heard pure lotus eyes thus come one say to her, "Bright eyes, your own great compassion and sympathy reaches your mother by this mighty vow that you are making. My contemplation shows me that after 13 years your mother will finish this retribution and will be born a Brahmin with a lifespan of 100 years. After that retribution she will be born in the land of no concern, with a lifespan of uncountable eons. Later she will realize the fruition of Buddhahood and cross over people and gods, numbering as many as sand grains in the Ganges." Shakyamuni Buddha told self-mastery Samadhi King, "The Arhat whose blessings helped Bright Eyes then is now inexhaustible intention Bodhisattva. The mother of Bright Eyes is now liberation Bodhisattva. Bright Eyes herself is now Earth Store Bodhisattva. He has been extending his compassion and sympathy like that from distant eons onward by making vows as many as Ganges sands to rescue vast numbers of beings. Men and women in the future may fail to do good deeds and only do evil, may not believe in cause and effect, may indulge in sexual misconduct and false speech, may use divisive and harsh speech, and may slander the great vehicle. Beings with karma like that should certainly fall into bad destinies. But if they encounter good and wise advisers, who exhort them and lead them quickly to take refuge with Earth Store Bodhisattva, those beings will just as quickly be released from their retributions in the three evil paths. If those beings are resolved and respectful, if they behold, bow to, and praise the Bodhisattva, and if they make offerings of flowers, incense, clothing, jewels, food, and drink to him, they will enjoy supremely wonderful bliss in the heavens for billions of eons. When their blessings in the heavens end, and they are born as people, they will have the potential to be leaders of nations throughout billions of eons, who are able to remember all aspects of causes and effects from previous lives.